Yeah, hello there. See, Mrs. Surratt with a Throwback Thursday on research studies, the difference between experiments and studies, and when you would use them. So, you ask me when would I do an experiment? That is a very good question. I would do an experiment when I want to know cause and effect, how the independent variable causes an effect on the dependent variable. So I would need to know how one thing affects the other. And I would look for questions like cause. How does something cause an effect? Houston, come in. You asked us to do an experiment, which was to find out how the independent variable, which would be the lack of gravity, would affect the dependent variable, which would be me, the astronaut. Very well, Houston, stepping outside now for a little spacewalk.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so cold outside. I mean, look, my face actually froze. And I was so cold, I had to go get myself some gloves. So I went to the store to get these gloves, right? And they had a sale on hot chocolate. So I had to buy a cup of hot chocolate. Do you think that means that when I go buy gloves, that causes me to want hot chocolate?
Oh, no, 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 you silly lady. There is no cause and effect between buying gloves and buying hot chocolate. But what you're talking about could be determined by a study where you're looking for a relationship between buying gloves and buying hot chocolate. I wonder what that relationship could be. I asked the lady wearing a coat and gloves and complaining about the cold. So there you have it, my friends. Hopefully now you understand the difference between experiments, which is where we can determine cause and effect and are done in a more controlled setting, and studies, where we learn about the relationship between two variables. I hope your understanding makes you just ducky.